Hello everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. We have a lot of wonderful stuff that we're going to be showing off, and we've got some information about some upcoming events as well. But first off, we're going to start right up front here, very front of the store. We redid this whole front area in preparation for Shop Hop. We wanted it to be brand new and exciting for everybody coming in. So up front here, we've got some really great lines. We have all of Fran from Cotton Joys Fabric, who is a local designer. So we wanted to highlight some local designers. So we also have Kate Swan here from the Quilting Bee as well. This was her fabric that we made here at the Quilting Bee. It's a QB exclusive. So we've got all of her wonderful stuff up front here as well. And also because it is Shop Hop and their theme is stars, our kit of the week this week is Starlight. This one uses the Moonchild collection from Cotton & Joy from Fran. It's this pattern right here of hers. So a nice star print and with these cute little celestial fabrics as well. So you'll see that one right as you come on in, you'll be able to see that one as well. Okay, and working over here, again, Shop Hop is this week, so we've got lots of exciting things. Instead of having just one notion of the week this week, we've got lots of different notions. So all 20% off, so anything on this table here that you see. So lots of good little things on this table, and then we've got even more on this little hutch right over here. So anything on this side will also be 20% off. So when you come in for Shop Hop, you can stock up on all of your little notions. And speaking of Shop Hop, we've got a few things to show you here. So it is coming up. It's this Thursday through Saturday. We've got lots of stores participating in the larger Spokane Valley, Spokane area into Idaho. We've got all of the shops listed here. And all of these you can find on the WSQ website as well. We also have a interactive map on our website that you can check out. We're going to show you how this works at the end of today's live. But here's just a little preview. So you can see all of the different shops participating, how they're spread out through the area. You can go on and click on each one, check their hours, maybe plan your route to each one. So that's really exciting, and we are going to show you more on that a little later. And then exciting things if you come in here for the the Shop Hop. We've got a couple little things going. So in our classroom, if you bring your passport, which is this guy here, to come get it stamped, we're right there. It'll be in our classroom. We'll have some people from WSQ with their raffle quilt in there, and you can buy raffle tickets to enter to win the raffle quilts. If you get your passport stamped from us, you will also get a free roll of our red faux leather vinyl, and you also get to choose a little gift from our basket here. So lots of little goodies to choose from. And you'll also be able to enter to win, this is our raffle gift, our door prize. So if you come in and get your passport stamped, you can enter to win this as well. So we've got some thread and other little notions in there. This beautiful little crate here. So very exciting stuff. Definitely stop by. Again, I'll go over the little map a little later so you can see how that works. But yeah, we're super excited and we hope to see lots of you out here this weekend. Okay, and then coming around the corner, we've got another event that we are super excited about. We've got the OESD Let's Celebrate event, which is Friday, April 2nd and Saturday, April 27th. So you'll make 5 different projects, which we have on display here in the store. You'll also be able to see these as you come right in. So we've got some really cute, just little party themed creations, embroidery creations. And you can come in and take a look at these while you're here for Shop Hop. And if you have any questions on how the events work here, anything like that, you can leave a comment on this video, or you can give the store a call and we would be happy to share any information on these as well. Okay, now we are super excited this week that we finally got in Tula Pink's newest collection, which is called Roar. We've got a whole little Tula themed island here that we set up this week, so you can have lots of fun with this. She's got lots of wonderful new prints, all of them dinosaur themed. So you've got your T-Rex, Triceratops, we've got some pterodactyls with some really cool florals and some really great designs. She also came out with some new polka dots, what she's calling her dino eggs. They're like large polka dots. So those are very fun. We've got a cool border print here. And we also have one of her 108s. So an extra wide for backing if you want to do some Tula on the back as well. And we have some really great embroidery projects to show off as well. So up here you'll be able to see we embroidered one of her designs on this jacket here. This is the T-Rex sort of portrait style. Came out very nice. And then we have some framed embroidery as well to show off. So these are some other ones that we did. And we've got even more of them as we come around here to take a look at. We've got a few other ones here as well. This is the T-Rex as well. That one might be my favorite. And then another one of the floral designs. It has that prehistoric look to it, very different. So those are very fun. We also made up some more of the Hemingway pouch kits. Before we used the Everglow with the giraffes to create one of the little pouches here. But this time we used the lion from the Everglow. And we did still use the space die from Figo. So it has a beautiful look to it. It just goes so nicely. Nice little diagonal zip. We did it on the inside as well. And we have it in both the sort of minty green colorway, and we also have it in this gorgeous coral pink colorway. And just a reminder, each kit does still make the 2 different sizes. So you have the extra large and the medium. We just, for time's sake, did the 2 large versions. But when you get a kit, you will be able to make 2 sizes of the Hemingway pouch, which is awesome. Okay, so as you can see, the Tula just wraps all the way around here. So we've got all sorts of samples and projects for you to do. It's very fun. We're super happy with how all of this came out. So you'll definitely have to stop by to see that. Another line we are very excited. You may have seen it in our mailer, but this is Curated in Color from Moda. It is an amazing sort of collage collection. Has some vintage, scrapbooky looking prints, all in this gorgeous rainbow. And there are even some blenders that go along with it. They kind of look like that antique sort of paper. And along with this one, we did do some fat quarter bundles to go along with the Fire and Rain pattern from Villarosa Designs. So you just need 6 fat quarters plus some background, which you can choose whatever you'd like. So you can grab one of these cute little bundles here and grab a pattern, and you are all set for your next project. And we do have lots of other fat quarters up here too, if you just want to grab them for maybe a different project you have in mind. Okay, and we did do some rearranging because all the Tula used to be over here. We've just got a variety of some different sort of floral, more modern prints on this side. And as we come around here, I'm going to show you another area that we sort of revamped, which is our canvas area. So we redid this whole section to make it a little bit more shoppable, a little bit easier to see all of the different prints. And then you have all of the more basic canvases down here. And then we've still got all of our beautiful wovens along this wall. So it just feels a little bit more open and easy to see everything. Okay, and stepping back into novelty, we've got another cute line to show you. This one I'm going to be, I'm going to try not to confuse them. This one here is called Chill and Grill, not to be confused with the line right above it, which came in not too long ago. That was called Grillin' and Chillin'. So we've got two similar names, but some cute other little barbecue prints. And this one's really fun because it came with a apron panel. So you can just grab one of these little panels and you can turn it into its own little apron. So you can back it if you'd like to, but you can also just leave it and just do what they have just right here for you. So very fun, quick little easy project. Okay, and heading down this aisle, I'm going to show you one right on the end over here. Okay, so this one is so sweet, very springy. This one is called Flower Girl. It is through Moda and was designed by Heather Briggs. Lots of very sweet pastels, some larger florals and some really sweet small florals. I think the little plaid with the small little florals inside is so cute. I think it would make an adorable little girl's quilt, or I could even see some little skirts or dresses made from this one. We do have pre-cuts for it, so we've got some charm packs, layer cakes, jelly rolls, and we do have fat quarters, of course, as well. So that one is very, very sweet. Okay, and then up here at the counter, we've got a line from QT. This one is called Seashell Suare. Got a beautiful color scheme here with these jewel tones. Kind of has a little bit of a watercolor look to it. And you've got all of these gorgeous sort of shell designs on the panel, which is right here. We've got quite large blocks here, but you could do maybe like a little quilt or a little table topper with this one. Do some little placemats or something would be adorable. But yeah, the color scheme is just absolutely gorgeous. So we're really excited about this one. Okay, now we're actually just going to pop over to the computer here real quick, and I'm going to show you where to find that interactive map that we were talking about earlier. So if you just head to our website, which we have up right here, this is just the main homepage of our website. You're just going to scroll down And you can see we've got all of the Shop Hop information right here, our calendar. And then right down here, you'll be able to see the map, and you're going to click the larger version and it's going to open up here, and you're going to be able to see all of the different quilt shops that we have that are participating. And you can zoom in here and you can click on any one that you'd like. We're going to click on the Quilting Bee, of course, which is right here. So you'll be able to see the name, you'll be able to see all of our info, and you'll be able to see the hours of each shop. So that's really important when you're planning out your route, that you pay attention to the hours of each shop because they are all different. So yeah, it's really fun. You can click on all sorts of different little shops that are participating. So definitely check this out. It's going to be, I think it's going to be really helpful for those that are trying to plan how to get to every quilt shop. So it's really awesome. So we're really excited about that. We also, of course, have our little, all of our little goodies for Shop Hop as well. Yeah, I think that is it for this morning. Thank you so much for joining us today. We will be on Whatnot later today. So if you saw anything in the shop that you would really love to see on there, let us know in the comments and we will add it for later. But other than that, we just really hope that we will see you this week for Shop Hop. And yeah, come join the fun. And we will see you next week for another What's Buzzin' at the Bee.